Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The Lion and the Jackal. Once upon a time, a hungry jackal found his way to a mountain. Hungry as he was, he searched for food in the night. I am so hungry, he thought. How I wish I could find something to eat. The jackal did not even remember when was the last time that he ate. So he began searching around the mountain for some food. I wonder if I'll be able to find some animal to eat, said the jackal. Just as the poor jackal was searching for food, he happened to see a lion. Looking at the lion, he froze right where he was. This lion will surely eat me up. What should I do? The jackal wondered. He quickly thought of a plan and began crying. The jackal cried as much as he could. Looking at the crying jackal, the lion grew puzzled. "Why are you crying?" he asked the jackal. "These huge rocks." The jackal pointed at the mountain. "Those rocks will fall at any moment and will kill us. We'll die here. Oh!" He began to weep again. Before the lion could say anything, the jackal suggested an escape plan. "Let us pick up a huge boulder. You will hide underneath it. That way, we won't die. The only problem is, who will pick up the heavy boulder? I am not strong enough." The lion took it upon himself to show off his immense power and strength. At once, the lion picked up a boulder and raised it above his head. "Now what?" asked the lion. "I'll go and get the log to secure the rock. You wait right there," exclaimed the jackal. Although hunger stricken the jackal, he managed to run away quickly. He never returned to the lion. His quick thinking saved his life.